In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Patreon. If you're ready to transfer your earnings out of Patreon, this process is simple and only takes a few moments. The main thing to know is that before you can withdraw funds, you'll need to make sure your payout method is set up correctly. Once that's in place, Patreon can send your available balance to the account you choose. To begin, go to Patreon and sign in to your creator account. Make sure you're logging into the account that receives the earnings you want to withdraw. After you're in, you'll be able to access the creator tools and payment settings needed for this process. If you have more than one profile or creator page connected to your login, take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving forward. Once you're on Patreon, click on Payouts. This is the section where Patreon manages your earnings, transfers, and withdrawal settings. Inside the payouts area, you can review the balance available in your account and see whether a payout method has already been connected. This page is important because it gives you a clear view of how your funds will be sent and whether any setup is still required. From there, click on Add Payout Method. This is the option you'll use to connect the account where you want your Patreon earnings to be deposited. Patreon may offer different payout options depending on your region, so choose the one that works best for you and then follow the on-screen instructions carefully. As you fill in the required details, double check everything for accuracy. Even a small mistake in your payout information can delay your withdrawal or cause the transfer to fail. After you finish adding your payout method, Patreon will use that method for your withdrawals according to your account settings and available balance. If Patreon asks you to verify any information, complete that step before expecting funds to transfer. It's also a good idea to review any fees, processing times, or minimum payout requirements shown on the page, since these can vary depending on the method you select and your location. And that's it. To withdraw money from Patreon, go to Patreon, open the payout section, and add your payout method. Once everything is set up properly, you'll be ready to receive your earnings smoothly and securely.